What other things can I invest in? Like bonds. What about bonds?
Bonds are a terrible investment right now, in general.
Why?
Horrifically bad investment. Because their yields. Thanks, Christina. Bonds typically have a yield between 1% and 3% right now, which this was not true until this information came out. But now that it has come out, with inflation at 5.4%, if you
Right.
own a bond that only yields 1%, you're automatically losing 4.4% of your money every year.
Wow. So that's a significant amount.
Yes.
Good to know.
Another reason bonds are terrible right now is because they are at such historically low interest rates.
Okay.
The only way they can go up, unless they go negative, which would be even worse, in my opinion.
Right.
But so historically, the only way they can go up is up. And when bonds price goes up, or when interest rates on bonds go up, their price and value goes down.
Wow. Okay.
So let's say they go up to 5% interest rates in the next 10 years. I have no idea if that's going to happen. But if you buy a 1% bond today, that means you're going to lose about 80% of the value of the bond.
Okay. So if I don't want to put my money in real estate and you're recommending that I don't invest in the stock market and I don't invest in bonds, where else should I put my money?